What's going on, everybody? Hope y'all are doing very well. Today I have a little pre-hurricane Dorian scratch for you. It's actually it's just coming in now. The winds aren't too bad. We're really on the outskirts of it, and we've had a little bit of rain, so that first tiny little band. And then we are hunkering down, going out to get some breakfast, got gas, and we're just gonna hang out. I got the day off work. Or actually my boss is letting me telecommute today, so don't have to go in the office. I get to help out with the baby and hang out with the fam and watch this hurricane come in. And I think it actually strengthened to Category 3 overnight, so we'll see what happens. I'm not on the coast. I'm inland, but I'm not super inland, like, you know, can't see the beach or anything like that, but I'm also not deep in North Carolina. So we should see the effects. And they're saying it's probably going to be mostly flooding. So we batten down the hatches and do that. Ugh, 46, we've got a lot of 40s. Haven't really had much luck with this ticket. 21, 2, 11, 41, don't have one of those, and 33. Well, that's fine because the lottery office is closed anyways, so we didn't need the win. How about we scratch the crossword for you? And we'll scratch it short ways for like R. Kelly does sometimes. C, H, and S. Ooh, a T's good. So the L and the S. So we have T. Of course, we can't get the B to give us B. Do you have the D? No D. We have S for U's up top. S-L-A, no P up top. S-A. Yeah, we got save. So it saved us on this ticket, so we got a winner there. Man, the P or the C would have been great. The D. Got a lot of good letters actually for this ticket. But I think that's it. Nope, no H. So, alright, well, we have a break even up top on the bonus crossword. If I missed any letters, I'm sure you'll let me know, or any words. But that's, oh, you know, I'll show you. How about that? Yep, there's the F. So it's a $5 winner. Alright, folks. Hope you have a good one. Thanks.